Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is I Was Running Late. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students. So we'll learn about soft and hard sound of G. And we'll follow before this in English for grade 2, we have already learned about this sound. I hope you remember we learned all these sounds and how does letter sound G is like letters G sound. It's here and we say Goa, okay, Goa. So we learn further to recognize and articulate hard and soft sound of G. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a beautiful hadith mentioned in At-Tirmidhi 2646. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever takes a path upon which to obtain knowledge, Allah makes the path to paradise easy for him. Yes, my dear children, do you see the importance of knowledge? Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever takes a path to obtain knowledge, Allah makes his path easy to Jannah, to paradise. So beta, to obtain knowledge, this path is continuous. Once you learn something, it doesn't mean you have learned everything. Again, we need to learn it again and again and again. And more we learn, more we are closer to Jannah, inshallah. So, we have learned one sound of G, and what is that? Say some words starting with G. Say some words and tell these words to your teacher and then come back. Pause the video and say some words with G. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have mentioned many words. For example, gloves, grapes, goat. Now, these are words with G and you say G as G. Okay. Green, guitar, gorilla, grass. Now, these words are starting with G and the sound of G is G. Now, look at these words. These words are also starting with G, but its sound is giraffe. This G has a different sound, giraffe. Engine, germ, gym. Oh, what happened? Now this G is sounding different. It means G have two sounds. So how to differentiate when to say G and when to say J? Here is a rule. If G is followed by E, I or Y, what does it mean? If you find letter G in a word and right after G there is E or I or Y, its sound will be soft. And what is the soft sound of G? J. What is the soft sound of G? J. Means G is there and after G one of the letter E, I, Y is there, we'll say it J. For example, now look at this word, G is there and G is followed by E. It means it is one of the letter and now we have to say it soft G. And what is the sound of soft G? J. And how we'll read it? Page. We'll read it page. Again, E is there, it's soft G, it's gel. E is there, soft G, how we'll read it? Germ. Gentle, danger, right? Let's see few more words. Now, I is there. Again, I is one of the letter and here the G will sound soft and it is giant. Giraffe, digit, apologize and ginger. Now, you see there are two G. First G is followed by I, that's why it's soft. Second G is followed by E, that's why it's soft. So it's ginger, Both G are soft G. Energy. Why this G is soft? Because it is followed by Y. Apology. Egypt, gypsum, and gymnasium. Now you see, whenever G is followed by E, I or Y, we say it's soft, that is J sound, right? You understand the rule? That's wonderful. So it's a time for practice from your book. Soft and hard sound of G. Letter G can be a hard sound, as in word like gate, guitar, guava. G has a soft sound too when it comes before E, I and Y. For example, giraffe, gem, cage, orange. Right? The same rule which we just learned. So it's time for activity. Are you clear with the rule? Very good. So it's individual activity. Your teacher will assign you to find words from your lesson number 5, 6 and 7 from your book, and that have soft and hard sound of G. First, what you will do from unit 5, 6 and 7, you will circle or underline words containing G, and then you will tell whether it's soft or hard. Are you clear? Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for practice from your book. You will pronounce each word in the box, draw 2 columns in your notebook, and write the words according to hard and soft sound of G. So you will make 2 columns, one for hard sound, one for soft. Keep reading the words and keep writing words in the relevant column. Okay, so pause the video, complete this question, this practice in your notebook. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart and quick. So here's time for your homework. You will write 10 words containing hard and soft sound of letter G. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and print worksheet and provide printed worksheet to students for practice. Students, what you will do? Here are the words. You have to, for soft G, you have to color the box orange, and for hard G, you have to color the box brown. Okay, you will say the words and you will color the box according to this color guide. So what we have learned today, we learned that letter G has a hard and a soft sound, and the sound of letter G will be soft like J when it is followed by E, I or Y. And for rest of the cases, the sound of G will be hard. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to recognize and articulate hard and soft sound of G. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.